It's about 4:30 in the morning. It's the first time I've heard the owls in the morning when I took the dogs out. It's only one, right? It's only the one right now. There were two of them. Yeah, I'm back to this little beach area. It's finally open. Hope it's seen some activity, and I hope there's some goodies deposited here because I'm ready to do some swinging. Check it out. Wish me luck. I found a piece of foil and a rivet so far. Rivet. It's gorgeous out. Absolutely beautiful. What a perfect day. I can't swing and carry this thing at the same time, but I think I could probably just come back for it. So I'm going to leave it there and do a little swinging for you guys. Let's come over here. These kind of beaches aren't the same as a ocean beach or the Gulf beach. It's on a river. So basically, I'm going to get what people dropped. We had a nice, huge rainstorm yesterday from that tropical thing. I thought the water would be way high, but I can't really tell where it is right now. Turn the volume up so there's no one out here right now. Probably crap. Well, let's give it a shot. Let's see. There's something there. Just here. I was planning on going in the water. I should probably do that first. I think I will. I'm going to take this target, then I'm going to hit down to the water. And I'm only going to film if I find something, simply because I don't want to drop my camera, because my camera is my phone. Still there. My 80-pound scoop. I don't know what it really weighs, but could or should. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the water. Not hot yet. I don't know what all those sounds are. So I'm going to get back to you if I get something. 23. Probably a dime. 23, 24. Could even be silver. Yep, back on my silver again. Or it could be one of those fishing doodads. Fishing weights. Still there. Not quite Florida beach sand, but beaches are always nice. Always nice when you hit a beach. Love the beaches. I hope that's not a nail. Okay, somewhere else. Back and forth. Now it sounds like a penny. Let's make sure. Let's see what we got. Oh, wait a minute. I think I see something here. It's like a bottle cap. Yeah, bottle cap. They were all over. Bud Light. All right, Bud. Bud Light. That was exciting. I'll get back to you. Give me the beach to find the nails. 30, 32. There might be something else at home. I don't know. But gosh, what a beautiful day. Nail or not. Nailed it, right? Nothing good yet. Moving on. Little bullet casing. Tiny one. Like 22 or something. Look at me sounding like I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, moving on. Wing it and see. Anybody have any idea what a hearing aid might ring up as? I'm looking for that for somebody that lost one. Here's a penny though. I think it's a penny. It's really beat up, so I'm assuming it's a penny, but it's my best target of the day so far, a penny. I'm happy for it. Second best target of the day, a nickel. Well, actually, this would be my best. It's also my second good target. A penny and a nickel. Everything else has been crap. You got a fired bullet this time. It's kind of beat up on this one side. I think that's what it is. I don't know if I should keep that or not. Probably not. So that's just regular old trash. Yeah, I'm not keeping it. Okay, moving on. Just saved somebody's foot. Little tiny fishing hook. Moving on. A lighter wheel. Moving on. Target of the day. Another nickel. So I'm up 11 cents today. 2 nickels and a penny. Score. Probably someone's already been here, I'm sure. Because I did on my last video, I said where I was. So there's no reason for no one to come. There's no reason for anyone to not come. There we go. Got it. All right. Beautiful day. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Absolutely gorgeous. Worth it. I think they opened the dam. I don't know if you can tell from the video. But anyway, here's my hook. That wouldn't feel too good at anyone's foot. Moving on. Something I've had all day. It rang up at 9. Probably part of a fishing lure because the other side, if I can take off my wet glove, is green. Is gold turned green? I don't know. Gold. And green. I have to wear these gloves when I'm using my sand scoop because the other gloves I can't get a grip. So if you're a beach hunter, you don't want those other gloves, which I found out by doing a beach. Okay, moving on. First target in the water that isn't trash. I got a penny. 1968 too. Awesome. See, there's a piece of rope over there. I've already got one in my pouch. So now I have 2 nickels and 2 pennies. Score. Probably can't see it right by the white cloud. In the white cloud. Cool. Children? No children. Some goggles. Got a beach full of kids here, so I just throw them up there and whoever wants them can have them. But I didn't want to show them on the video. Score. 2 nickels and 3 pennies. Alright. And a bunch of junk. Time. It's a good location. The weather's gorgeous. Breeze. Water temperature's perfect. Nice. There's a penny. I'm up to 4 pennies and 2 nickels. 1996, I believe. Alright, moving on. Way back to the car. Best target of the day. A dime. It's not even an old one, but that's alright. Had a beautiful day here. I gotta get cleaned up. Is the prize of the day. 1974 quarter. Heading back to the car. So that tells me since the parking lot area, the grass has so many good targets in it, well, good meaning clad, that the beach is well swung, but the grassy areas around it is not. So when I come back, it's time to do the grassy areas. To leave the beach be, unfortunately, because I love the beach, but nothing that says I can't come back over to it, right? Right. Moving on.